In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make 3D text in Pixlr. To get started, open your browser and log into your Pixlr account. Once you're on your main dashboard, look for the option called Pixlr Editor. This is the workspace where you'll be doing all of your editing. Go ahead and click it. Pixlr will then ask you to either select an existing image or upload a new one from your computer. Choose the image you want to work with, and it will open up inside the editor, ready for you to add your 3D text. Now that your image is open, take a look at the toolbar on the left side of the screen and select the text tool. With the text tool active, click once on your image. A pop-up will appear asking if you want to add a new text layer. Confirm by clicking Add. Pixlr will place a text box on your image, and you can start typing the words you want to turn into 3D text. After typing your text, look up at the top toolbar. Here you can customize your text. First, choose your font from the drop-down menu next to the font label. Pick a style that matches the vibe of your design. Next, click the color swatch next to Fill. This opens the color picker. For this step, it's best to choose a darker color because this will act as the back color when we create the 3D effect. Once you're happy with the color, confirm your choice. Then, in the size field, adjust the font size until your text is as big or as small as you need it to be on the image. With the basic text set up, it's time to add the 3D effect. Still in the top toolbar, find the field labeled Styles. Click on it and a drop-down will appear. Enable the option called Outline and you'll see additional settings expand. Click the color swatch next to the outline color. When the color picker opens, choose a shade that's lighter than the fill color you picked earlier. This contrast between a darker fill and a lighter outline is what really sells the 3D look. After that, adjust the size slider to control how thick the outline appears around your text. To push the effect further, look for the distance setting. As you increase the distance, the outline appears offset from your base text, creating that dimensional shadow or layered effect. Keep an eye on your design as you adjust this, and stop when it feels right for your composition. Then use the direction slider to change where the 3D effect seems to be casting. By dragging the slider left or right and watching how your text shifts visually. Once you're satisfied with the outline, color, thickness, distance, and direction, your 3D text is complete. You can always fine-tune the font, size, and colors until everything looks balanced on your image. And that's it, you've successfully created 3D text in Pixlr.